Solitube has always been known for its bright, beautiful daylighting. What if that same system could also deliver convenient night lighting? Now it does, with our new integrated smart nightlight technology. We mount a solar panel in our daylighting tubes to harvest the abundance of light they capture every day. And this recharges the integrated smart nightlight that automatically delivers a soft glow every night, right until there's daylight again. So now it's easier than ever to shed light on the things and people you love most, day or night. Learn how our simple 2-hour installation can instantly add both daylighting and night lighting to your home. Contact us now to schedule a free consultation.